At Viking Plastics, we're always looking for ways to improve, and it starts with understanding the 8 forms of waste. D is for defects, anything that doesn't meet the customer's expectations. O is for overproduction, making more than what's needed. W is for waiting, a stop in the process that leads to the customer waiting. N is for non-value added processes, steps that don't add value for the customer. T is for transportation, unnecessary movement of products or materials. I is for inventory, anything that is overproduced or overpurchased. M is for motion, excessive movement by people that doesn't add value. E is for employee talent, underusing the creativity and skills of our team. This is downtime, the core of lean thinking. At Viking Plastics, we identify it, reduce it, and keep improving every day.